slag light. It's got the 4D cell batteries. I put this LED bulb in it some time back because the old incandescent bulbs they came with, it just didn't seem bright enough. And the LED light did brighten it up quite a bit, but it didn't shine like it did when it was brand new. This thing's about 20 years old. So I looked at how pitted and stained and yellowed the lens was. You can see some scratches where I polished it up. But basically I don't use the headlight cream. That stuff's expensive. If you have any auto body products, you might have some rubbing compound, some buffing compound. That's all I used. 1000 grit sandpaper, 1500 grit, and 2000 grit, and then I just sat and polished it until it was clear again. But watch this. Hard to see, but it does work really well. Show you over here. Where are you? There. Really doesn't show up. Railroad crossing signs way over there. There. See a little glimmer? Those of you who have been here at the property know how far away that is. Those are 2 railroad crossing signs. And over here, I'm out on the road in front of the house. There's that bridge just before the dirt road. And if the trees weren't in the way, there you go. You can barely make out the street sign for that country road. That's my video for tonight.